Right guys, I got some spanners. I got some spanners. Oh yeah, nice one. I've got some spanners, lads. I got some spanners. Lads. It's not what you know, it's who you know. It's not what you know, it's who you know. Yeah. It's not what you know, it's who you know. And I've got friends out there, you see, good friends. Even local friends, mate. Lovely. Yeah, I managed to get some spanners. But it's not what you know, it's who you know. It's not what you know, it's who you know. So I managed to get some. Yeah. Yeah, I managed to get some spanners. So it's not what you know, it's who you know. And I've got a lot of friends. I've got a lot of friends in real life as well. So, that's better. Oh, that's fucking better. I owe my mate a pint for this. Yeah, a pint. I think I'll get him 2 pints. Yeah. It's not what you know, it's who you know. Yeah, I managed to get some spanners. Like I say, it's not what you know, it's who you know. I managed to get these, and I'll buy the person a pint when I see him next time in the pub. Yeah. It's not what you know, it's who you know. It's better. Fucking nice one. It'll be part 3 of it, because I've got to take these spanners back. I can't show you where I got them from. I'm going to keep it private. I can't show you where I got them from. Yeah, forget. I got some spanners. Look, it's not what you know, it's who you know. You know what I mean? It's not what you know, it's who you know. I can't show you where I get them from because I keep that private. Yeah. Right. Yeah, it's not what you know, it's who you know. I can't get that one out. You always get one what's difficult. See, that'll just go round and round and round. You know what I mean? I've got the other 3 out. I wonder if that... Showed it with your fingers. Yeah. This one's a difficult one. Well, that one not come out. That bit of rubber. part 3 is when I install it. I've got to take these spanners back to his workplace. Yeah. I owe him a pint for that. I'm at home too. Fucking lifesaver, mate. It's not what you know, it's who you know. And I know a lot of people, see. I'm very popular. Yeah. That's better. Fucking lifesaver, mate. It makes a lifesaver. It makes a lifesaver. This one's fucking awkward. Well, it's nearly out. Well, I've got the 3 bolts out, the other ones. Yeah, I've got the 3 ones out. It's just this one here. A couple of turns, it's out. What about the marks in it? I ain't worried about the fucking marks. As long as it works, mate. As long as at least it's a brand new washing machine, isn't it? Fucking man makes a lifesaver. I will buy him a couple of pints for this. Fucking will, mate. Hooray! Thank you. Nice one, Bruce. I've actually got them out, so I need to take them back to him. Yeah. It was that number 10 spanner. So I'm going to take that back to him. Now he's a lager drinker, isn't he? Right, I'll see you later, guys. I will take that back to him. There'll be part 3.